addressed in Kannada as Sebu and in Telugu Yapple.
Banana, yellow, yellow banana, very, very sweet banana.
Banana is addressed in Kannada as Bale Annu and in Telugu Arati Pandu.
Mosambi, Mosambi, green, green Mosambi, very, very sweet Mosambi. Mosambi, Mosambi.
Sweet lemon or Mosambi is addressed in Kannada as Mosambi and in Telugu also same Mosambi.
Sapota, sapota, brown, brown sapota, very, very sweet sapota.
Chiku or Sapota is addressed in Kannada as Sapota Hannu and in Telugu Sapota Pandu.
Grapes, grapes, very, very sweet grapes. Grapes.
Grapes are addressed in Kannada as Drakshi and in Telugu Draksha. Mango is addressed in Kannada as Mavina Annu and in Telugu Mamidi Pandu.